Okay, monkeys, gather around because I've been working on something behind the scenes and I'm so excited to finally tell you about it. If you've been following me this month, watching the cortisol videos, learning about the big four, understanding why your metabolism changed after 40, you're probably thinking, okay, Alicia, this all makes sense, but how do I actually do this? Let me tell you exactly what to do every day. I heard you and I built it. It's called the 30-day Summer Kickoff. And today, I'm gonna show you everything that's inside. So here's the deal. The 30-day Summer Kickoff is a guided program that takes the big four framework, the steps, the lifting, the protein, the fiber, and turns it into a day-by-day system that you can actually follow. It runs for 30 days. You'll know exactly what to do every single day. No guessing, no Googling, no trying to piece together a plan from 47 different Instagram posts. This is for you if you're a woman over 40, you're tired of figuring it out alone, you want to feel confident this summer without crash dieting. You want someone to actually coach you through it. You want a community of women doing this with you. This is not for you if you're looking for a quick fix or a magic pill. You want to lose 30 pounds in 30 days. That's not real. You're not willing to show up for yourself. I'm being straight with you because I respect you too much to oversell this. This works if you work it. Let me walk you through exactly what you get. Number 1, 3 full body strength workouts that rotate across the 4 weeks. Workout A, workout B, workout C. Progressive overload built in, meaning each week gets slightly more challenging as your body starts to adapt to the workouts. These are designed for women over 40. No jumping, no burpees. Smart, effective strength training. Number 2, a protein-forward nutrition framework. I'm not gonna give you a super strict, rigid meal plan where you eat chicken and broccoli 6 times a day. I'm giving you a framework. How to build your meals, hit your protein targets, keep your blood sugar stable, and actually enjoy your food. Plus recipes because I know you need ideas. Number 3, daily step goals and a walking strategy. We're building up to 10,000 steps a day, and I'll show you exactly how to fit it into your real life, not your fantasy life, where you have 3 hours of free time every day. Number 4, a private community. We're using a Facebook group where you can ask questions, share wins, vent frustrations, and connect with other women who get it. You're not doing this alone. That's the whole point. Number 5, weekly group coaching calls with me. You bring your questions, I'll bring the answers. We do this together, live, face to face. Number 6, the stress management piece. Because what's the point of a program that spikes your cortisol? I'll be sharing stress resiliency tools throughout the 30 days. Breath work, mindset shifts, nervous system regulation. This is what makes this 30 days different from every other 30-day program out there. Okay, so let's talk about the practical stuff. The 30-day Summer Kickoff is $27. $27. I priced it this way on purpose. I don't want money to be the reason that you don't do this. I want as many women as possible to experience what it feels like to have a plan, a coach, and a community behind them. $27 is less than most of us spend on a random Amazon impulse buys in a week. And this could genuinely change how you feel in your body this summer. The program runs from April 15th through May 14th. That means if you start with us, you'll be 30 days into a completely different approach to your body by mid-May, just in time for summer. Doors are open right now. The link is in the description below and in the pinned comment. You click it, you sign up, and you're in. We officially kick off April 15th, but once you're enrolled, you'll get access to the welcome materials so that you can start getting ready. I want to say one more thing. I built this because I was you. I was the woman doing everything right and feeling like nothing worked. I was the woman who thought her body was broken. It wasn't, and yours isn't either. You just need better information, a better plan, and people in your corner. That's what this is. $27, 30 days. Let's do this together. Link below. I'll see you inside. And if you're not sure yet, that's okay. Go watch the videos I put out this month. Read the emails. Grab the free 90-day blueprint. But if you are ready, don't wait. Let's go. Comment below and tell me, are you in?